BMW and Mercedes, two German giants, two different promises. Quote, BMW is for those who are still in a hurry, and Mercedes is for those who have already arrived. One brand was built for people chasing performance, and the other for people who have already found comfort. Both can be brilliant and both can ruin your wallet just as fast. Today I will talk about history, reliability, repair issues and resale. Stick around till the end to hear the conclusion, which is worse from these two brands. So, to understand the repair bills, you have to understand the philosophy. Mercedes built its empire on status, comfort and safety. They wanted the driver isolated from the world, quiet, smooth, untouchable. The S-Class became a benchmark for luxury, and most modern safety tech, they invented it. BMW or BMW, like Bayrische Motorenwerke, like in this popular video, was obsessed with dynamic speed and control. The ultimate driving machine wasn't just a slogan, it was a religion. Every BMW was designed around perfect weight balance and steering feel. Fun fact, their V12 engines were so good that Rolls-Royce used them. And that's why these cars feel completely different behind the wheel. But today the lines are blurred. They are both chasing the same buyers. Same SUVs, same sedans. Let's be real, in 2025 both brands have changed. They are not only luxury anymore, they are tech companies on wheels. Mercedes went all in on giant screens, ambient lights and semi-autonomous comfort. BMW instead focused on sharper dynamics, smart iDrive and performance that still feels alive, even in hybrids and EVs. If you love the driving feel, BMW still delivers. Precise, connected, a little firm, but rewarding. If you love comfort and silence, Mercedes will spoil you until it breaks, and when it does, it gets expensive. Next part, where they still hurt your wallet. We are not going deep into model-specific problems, because every generation has its own stories. But there are few patterns that you can't ignore. BMW's pain comes from performance. Engines are tuned tight, run hot and don't like lazy maintenance. Skip oil changes and you will pay for turbo seals. Valve cover leaks, timing chain wear sooner than you think. Drive it hard, it will drive you to the mechanic. And Mercedes pain comes from comfort. Air suspensions, adapted dampers, powered everything. Amazing when new, painful when old. When that airmatic corner starts sagging, it's not 200 fix, it's 2000. So yeah, BMW punishes neglect and hard driving. Mercedes punishes age and over-engineering. Next part, tech war, iDrive versus MBUX. Mercedes MBUX, it's stunning, no doubt. The dual-screen setup looks straight out of a spaceship. But this not for everyone, and it is not because of money. Some drivers love the tech, others hate the touch overload. And if something fails, it's not cheap. You're not replacing a simple button, you're replacing the car's brain. BMW iDrive. BMW kept physical deal for a reason. It's still the most intuitive way to control everything without looking down. But as these systems aged, they depend on complex module and coding. When a head unit or gateway fail, it's not a fuse, it's a 4-digit invoice. Reliability facts, not opinions. Let's add some numbers to emotion. In the latest What Car Reliability Survey, BMW ranked inside the top 10 for all brands in the UK. Surprising, right? In J.D. Power's 2024 US study, BMW was third among premium brands. Mercedes improved too, but still sits a bit lower. Translation: neither is bad, but both has problem models. Pick the wrong engine or a neglected example, and you will think that whole brand is trash. And pick the right one with service history and smart spec, and both can run beautifully. Next part, resale value. Depreciation is brutal in this segment. A 60k pounds luxury sedan can be worth 20k pounds in just a few years. But the difference is in the reasons. Resale depends on spec, wheels, mileage and options buyers want in your region. In the UK, sensible spec 3, 5 series Tourings and X3s hold well. Likewise, C-Class saloons, estates and GLCs with comfort options not maxed out bling. Mercedes loses value faster if it's over-optioned. Big screens, air suspension, AMG line, everything. Looks good new, but terrifying used. BMW loses value faster if it's overdriven. Big engines, big wheels or neglected maintenance. Reliability has become the new luxury. And right now buyers trust a BMW a bit more. So, which is worse? The truth is, neither brand is bad, but one of them is often wrong for you. If you want sharp driving, steering feedback, that alive feeling and you don't mind paying when things go wrong, BMW will make you smile. If you want peace, status, more comfort, and you can handle occasional pain when things go wrong, Mercedes will make you relax. My thought is next. I already told this in the beginning of the video. BMW is for those who still in a hurry. Mercedes is for those who already arrived.